Rockfon Senses is a perfect add-on for many design projects. Together with Organoid, we chose 5 different surfaces, which works nicely together with our 34 colors of well-being. It creates this connection between indoors and outdoors, tapping into the biophilic design. My first impression when I saw the surfaces was that I was actually quite surprised that it really keeps even the smallest details of the plants so that you can see the individual flowers, and that gives the special characteristic for the material. I can feel it in my fingertips, the surface, and I can even smell the hay and the flowers. For me, it creates positive feeling. The process itself is, I would say, delicate process, that it keeps the quality of the material. When you see the surface, it might remind you something that you have seen when you've been walking in the nature. It's also totally different than if you look at it in the office on the table, but then when you see it as the final panels at the wall, it really lightens up the surface, that it would be a perfect fit for busy offices, meeting rooms as sort of like a focus point on, and maybe even triggering some discussion. Like in all Rockfon products, it's acoustics is the key. So we haven't compromised the acoustics, even though that we have added this natural surface. It's an A-class absorber, sort of like you have a stone wool behind, and then you apply the Organoid surface, and also covering all the edges. So it's really, should I say, natural add-on into our product assortment towards this biophilic design.